What are the intellectual property issues with AI and media? Imagine a world where machines create movies, music, and images that look and sound just like those made by humans. It might seem exciting, but it also raises some tricky questions about who owns what. When it comes to AI and media, the main issues are about copyright, authorship, and rights to imitate artists. AI models are trained on huge amounts of existing content, like films, songs, and articles. This training often uses copyrighted works without asking for permission from the rights holders. That can be seen as unauthorized copying or even theft. For example, if an AI learns from a popular song and then creates a new tune that sounds very similar, the original artist might claim their rights were violated. Major media companies have already challenged AI firms for using their films and images without licensing. They argue this practice undermines the incentives that copyright law provides to creators. Another big concern is about who owns content generated by AI. Copyright law usually says only humans can hold rights to work. Since AI does not have human creativity, courts often say AI-generated works cannot be copyrighted. This creates confusion for media professionals who use AI tools to help with their projects. Who owns the rights to a video or song made by an AI? Is it the creator, the company that made the AI, or someone else? Rights of publicity and trademark issues also come into play. AI can imitate an artist's voice or style without their consent. For instance, AI can produce music that sounds like a famous singer, which might violate their personal rights. Some countries are starting to pass laws to protect artists from digital impersonation. For media professionals, these issues mean they need to be careful. Using AI-generated content without understanding the legal limits could risk lawsuits or losing recognition. It's important to know how to get proper licenses or permissions when working with AI tools. Staying updated on new laws and industry standards is also key. Professionals should advocate for clear policies on how AI training data is used and who owns the output. Developing skills to use AI ethically and legally can help protect their careers. In summary, the main intellectual property issues with AI and media involve unauthorized use of copyrighted works for training, the lack of copyright protection for AI-created content, and the potential for AI to imitate artists without consent. Navigating these challenges requires awareness and proactive steps to respect existing rights and adapt to new technology.